Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here and welcome to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. Also my Trell and Instagram handles are down in the description box. You can go and follow me there also for more such content. You know what, I'm just gonna go grab a cup of coffee. I'm actually feeling exhausted, yeah. I'm feeling really sleepy. I had Turkish biryani. I guess that's why I'm sleepy because biryani makes you sleep. Today we are heading to Dubai and our flight is at 2 o'clock. Currently we are at Oman in Ibis Hotel and yeah, I'm in the washroom. I can't find light anywhere to vlog, okay? So I had to come here to vlog. It is currently 9:45 and by 10:45 we will be leaving to the airport and we have finished our RT-PCR test. We both have been tested negative and yeah, there will be a rapid test after landing in Dubai also, which I'm dreading. It's going to be a early morning flight and there's not going to be any sleep. So let's see, it's just a 45-minute 1 hour flight. I have no idea. Let's go. Finally we got a cab. We took an O taxi. We are going to go check in. The airport is so empty. Yeah. I think it's midnight. So I think yeah, there are not much flights. This is the Oman International Airport. I have my stuff here. I'm vlogging with one hand and handling the trolley with another, multitasking. Look at that. Hardly anyone. Is going other than like 5-6 people. Even when we came, no, from Chennai to Oman, there were very few people. What time is the boarding?
1:10.
Now where are we going? To the gate, huh? Nothing, they will be there. Apparently we are going down. I mean the B gate. B4, huh? Nothing will be there down. Useless. Nothing to see, nothing to watch. And midnight there are not even one person over here. So sad. Be there on your birthday in Dubai finally. What do you have to say? Are you happy? So we are sitting and chilling in the lounge, doing nothing. We have 1.5 hours to kill. This is the first time we don't have luggage. Otherwise, we're always carrying some bag. I just have my camera, handbag, and you have just a small this thing. Are you hungry? Everyone sees me. They want to talk to you. So it has been your dream to go. Now you're going to be there on your birthday and then on our anniversary. So how do you feel?
I feel good.
You feel good.
Yeah.
You feeling sleepy because of the biryani?
Yeah, that Turkish biryani hit me real hard.
Even I'm feeling really sleepy. I think we should have come little bit late. It's the thing because it's midnight. It's like less flights are there. Mm-hmm. Would you like to eat some more beer?
Maaf karo. Maafi.
Like what all have you learnt in Arabic? You would like to hear you.
Kem hada.
What does that mean?
How much?
No, it's not kem hada, it's kem.
It's all similar.
Kem hada is how much is this?
Yeah.
Okay, somewhat similar. You're going to get this. Other than that, what have you learnt?
Maafi.
No. Correct.
Khalas.
Means?
Khatam.
Other than that?
Tamalli maha. We
are headed off to buying some coffee for me. Otherwise I'm going to fall asleep. I'm terribly sleepy. We have 1.5 hours to go. I didn't expect this to be so empty. They say that for international flights you should usually be here before 3 hours. So we came here 3 hours prior. So we got some latte, blue fizz and some jalapeno cheese bites.
So how was the coffee?
amazing.
Why are you so sleepy?
What kind of a question is that? I feel old, you know. I can't be awake more than 12 o'clock.
कितना साल हो गए? 40 साल हो गए?
I know. I'm just 28 and I feel 40. Like seriously, what is the time now? It is
1 o'clock.
yeah. What is our seat number?
7G and F.
So we are in the flight and we were delayed by 20 minutes and I was sitting and editing my vlogs. We were given a turkey sandwich. I know people cannot see you, but how do you feel? We are 15 minutes away and it's your birthday in 24 hours. How do you feel?
I feel sleepy.
So finally we landed in Dubai. We have to walk a lot here. That's what we are doing. I think we have to get a COVID test also done, like a rapid one, after an RT-PCR also. Maybe they might just tell us to go, but if they ask us to do, we might have to do. Oh my god, I can't walk so much. We've been just walking and walking. Yeah, hey, matlab. Cousin brother is like waiting for us, I think, outside. I've told him like we just got out of the flight. Wait. There was a huge queue. I couldn't record it, but I'm going to attach a photo somewhere here. We somehow like just, went inside and came out as soon as possible. Now we are waiting for the train. I don't know if it's a train, metro, what it is. It has to come. And we have to go collect our luggage. So we have arrived at our hotel and we slept like a log. It is currently I think 9:30 a.m. We arrived here by I think 4:35. There was no rapid test. People traveling from India are supposed to take a COVID test, like a rapid COVID test in Dubai. But a person traveling from Oman doesn't need to take a rapid test. I am staying in Gulf Inn right now, and in some time we will be going to hunt for breakfast. So let's see. We slept really well. Like I was so tired. Like I couldn't sleep in the flight because Oman and Dubai's distance is not much. The rooms are very spacious. Like because we're going to be spending like 9 days here, we needed to be like ultra spacious and good. So yeah, cannot complain. So we have come to Green City restaurant, which is like what is it? It's 2 minutes walk from our hotel, and we get all Indian stuff here. And I have got puri and chana. What have you got? And I got some coffee. Of course, I cannot live without coffee. I'm starving. Coffee here, and then I got puri, which is huge. It's not small. Oh, there are 3. Oh my god. There are 3 puris and some chana. That is a wholehearted meal at such a less rate. We had an entire stomach full at just 17 dirhams. Are you shocked? No? I am all set and ready. This is what I came up with. And this is the jewelry I got from Amazon. I got a set like of 6 or 7 for like $250, and I think they are beautiful because you get a lot of amazing stuff. And these are something really unique. Like they have like strands kind of thing. Simple yet unique. And we're going to go to Golsuk and then come back home, eat, and then leave somewhere. Not yet decided where, but let's see. So once we get down in Gold Souk metro, we have to walk, and we are clueless because we don't know where to go. But people over here are helpful. So yeah, I have to walk across that and go. So we are on to going to see one perfumer. A shop's name is Teeb Perfumes and he's from Kerala. Apparently, there is a UAE YouTuber as well as a content creator called Khalid, and he had recommended. So we are going to see that man. He's actually in Dera Gold Souk. So we are going to go walk up and check that out. So we have come to Teeb Perfumes, and we have heard a lot about it. So we are going to purchase a unisex perfume.
You select one.
Really difficult for me being a picky person. भैया थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग और वुडी फ्रेग्रेंस वाला या जेंट्स में कुछ ये बहुत फेमिनिन फेमिनिन है. भैया ये बिरयानी स्मेल smells legit. Oh, it's actually good. I like this. ये खुश मत हो एक से सॉरी
इसको यूज क्यों करते हैं?
हाँ?
यूज क्यों करते हैं इसको?
ना आप सूंघोगे ना नाक मर जाएगा, बाद में कंफ्यूजन सी हो जाएगी. तो सूंघ के ना उसके बाद सूंघिए, यू हैव मोर ऑफ अ क्लैरिटी. स्निफ दैट मोर हार्डर.
96
समझ में आया?
ये मेरा सेकंड वाला रिमूव करके तो
हाँ. Which bottle do you think is blue? Blue? What about the green one?
वो भी सही है.
ऊपर देखो black भी है.
टेक एनीवन.
हाँ. ये कितना का है? 50 कितना रहेगा? 50 अच्छा.
बॉटल लो.
I am with the master of perfume. Heard a lot about it. I actually saw you in Khalid's video. Yeah. So he's from Kerala.
Yeah.
I'm from Tamil Nadu, neighboring states.
Yeah.
So how many years have you been in this?
You can say this is all of experience of the age.
And the perfumes are absolutely amazing. So if you people come anytime to Dubai, you have to visit his shop. It's a must. Even he's saying that you have to visit.
Yes. Everyone must see.
Yeah,
Everyone in Dubai has to go. No way around it.
See? So
Everyone is like fragrance and smell. The good smell and the fragrance means love.
exactly.
Yeah. This is to make confidence yourself. You know, when you put spray, you have more confidence. Like, you know, feel fresh. When you go someone you want someone to meet or you want to interview or somewhere, the fragrance will give you positive energy.
Yes, absolutely. That is the spirit. So that is the secret ingredient, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
true. Yeah. Because in life, without smell, without fragrance, nothing. Because when you born, there is the first sense you can smell.
True that.
Without smell, you cannot. Even there is, you know, even there is metal smell, there is wood smell, there is flower smell, there is food smell. There is everywhere the cloth smell, the skin smell, everywhere is smell. Without smell, we can live.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, dear. Take care.
Thank you. We finished buying the perfume. Now we are headed back to the hotel. And from the hotel we will be going to eat somewhere. Are we going to the hotel or we are going to eat directly? Okay. So we have come to Pak Darbar restaurant, and we both are very fond of Pakistani food. We have ordered some biryani, roti and chicken, and then we will be walking up to the metro and going back to the hotel. Already today twice I nearly tripped, right? Nearly twice. Once when we were going to eat breakfast, and once when we were coming back to the hotel. I'm super excited because this one was just one, yeah. Your hands have become so tanned. Show me. See, look at your hands.
This is always tan.
How do you think my fashion sense has improved or not?
I'm working on it.
You, please. Finally, water has come. Mom, see? So we have ordered chicken sheikh kebab pulao. This is the first time I've ever heard of this. So I'm very excited to try. This is the biggest tandoori roti I've ever seen in my life. This is not maida. This is wheat. It seems. This is the authentic Pakistani kadai chicken. Some gravy to go with it and some salad. I usually never vlog the food eating portion because it's yuck to see someone eating. I usually don't enjoy mukbangs or something like that, but this chicken sheikh kebab pulao, it is brilliant. It has so many unique flavors and it has raisins. I hate raisins, but excuse me, it is yum. Like, I'm not even kidding you, like, it's delicious. Okay, and the chicken sheikh kebab, oh my god. And there are so many carrots. Like, can you see there are so many carrots and there's so many raisins, but it's so good. Like, everything you just take and you eat it. It's a must have. So good. We finished eating. We're heading back to the hotel in the metro. I'm in food coma right now. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm too sleepy. So we are back to the hotel, and now we are going to chill for some time and rest. But before that, I realized that in my previous vlog I hadn't given much information regarding pricing, transportation, or a lot of things, because I was at a plus point that it was Andamans and it was my in-laws place and I had the advantages. But Dubai, we are all on our own, and yeah, but our family is of course helping us because half of my relatives are here, but 80%, 90% we are figuring out our own ways, and what all we learned from it we are going to say to you guys. So what I would suggest you is have a pre-plan strategy, like plan ahead in time, like a month ago or half a month ago also, and go through good websites. See, I'm not paid to say anything of this sort, but Agoda or Trivago and all, Agoda is really good. They have very good deals and they have affordable price. You can check that out for hotels. We are staying in Gulfin, which is in Dera, and it is not very close to the city line. Like, you people will be coming here for Burj Khalifa, The Palm, Atlantis, everything, which is 20-25 minutes away in car. Or in metro if you go, it is 45 minutes. That 45 minute includes walk also, so you should keep in mind that. And you can buy a card from the metro station. So if you are planning, okay, supposing you're going to stay in Gulfin, like how I did, just Google it out, because every hotel of course gives you free Wi-Fi. So you can just Google out which is the nearest metro station near you, and then go to that metro station and ask them for a card. So the minimum value of that card will be 25 dirhams. If whichever part of the world you are, you can calculate according to your currency, and then you can keep reloading your card as and how you wish to. Basically, you keep reloading that card as and when you keep finishing it. And it is a no touch, or you don't need to stand in lines to keep paying money for it. All you got to do is when you get down from the station, when you exit, you just got to touch it to the board and you exit it and you're done. Like it gets deducted and it shows you the balance, that this much money has been deducted and this much is your available balance. It is shown when you exit a particular station. And again, if you go to your Google Maps and you see you put your hotel location and the location you want to go to, it will show you from where to where the metro goes, which point you can go to. And if you still have doubts, you can go to that metro station and ask anyone. People over here are ultra friendly. They will be very happy to help you. And over here they know English and Hindi quite well, really well. And if not, if they know Arabic, you can understand by sign languages. They'll be like showing left or right. Or if you can tell, that you don't understand Arabic, they'll show sign languages and you will understand at the end of the time. And that card which you buy in the metro station, you can use it even for the bus. That's the another plus point. And also there is an app called Careem Bikes. So that is actually cycles. So you can rent cycles all over the city in Dubai and ride if you feel like it. You can rent it out and ride. And I don't know the rates about it because I've never done it. There's some other Careem app for cars also, I guess. So there are a lot of options in Dubai. So if you want an affordable meal, you can go to Lulu. There are a lot of places where you get food, ready-made food. They will be there. You can just pack your stuff, whatever you feel like it, and bring home and eat. It is not that expensive at all. And if you're feeling like you want to go eat at a restaurant, it will easily cost you up to 800 to 1,000 bucks for 2 people. If you want to eat a heavy meal, some good food, then you have to spend a fortune. But if you're on an indulgent trip, then I cannot say anything. But food over here is pretty good. So what, if you come here, you have to splurge at least 1 meal, 2-3 meals. Just check out. And the Pakistani food is really good. I would highly recommend Pak Darbar, PAK Darbar. I'll also write their location in my description box so you people can check it out. Again, I'm not promoted to say this. It's out of my personal experience. The food is really good. Highly recommend. There is a lot of knickknacks, there are a lot of bakery wherein you can pick up donuts and buns and snacks, all sorts of things. And there are parks also. There are people always walking on the streets. That's funny because I don't see it in Oman. In Oman there is not much people walking on the streets, but here everyone is walking all the time. It's funny to see, but yeah, it is a breath of fresh air. I like Dubai. And you know what, you can shop your heart out and you don't need to cry, and you can bargain like nobody's business. I am very bad at bargaining. I cannot bargain, for the love of God. I cannot do it. But my husband is a pro at it. I'm not. He will stand there and torture that person till he gives it at a rate that he wants it. He's like that auntie, okay, जहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं ना, हाँ जी माँ जी ये ना 300 रुपये, नहीं मैं ना 100 रुपये ही दूंगी, नहीं माँ जी नहीं होगा. एंड दैट मैडम इज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है मैं जा रही हूँ, नहीं जी माँ जी ठीक है चलो आपका नहीं मेरा नहीं 150, मैं 100 ही दूंगी. एंड देन फाइनली इज लाइक ओके फाइन टिक इट एंड गो. दैट्स माई हस्बैंड राइट ओवर देयर. ही विल बार्गेन like nobody's business, and I'm standing there and I'm like, I can't do that for love of God. Like I can't. Okay, someone says like madam nahi hoga, and I'm like, so yaar, like just take my money and be done with it. But my husband is like, no, don't be mad, okay. Like he's really good at it. And today we did do shopping at Gold Souk. We actually went to Gold Souk to see gold for my mother-in-law, but instead we clothes shopping. My husband bought some 2 t-shirts for himself and one sweatshirt, and I bought 1 pair of shoes and socks for myself because I cannot walk, okay. I have to walk at Expo as well as I have to walk at Global Village. That's too much of walking. I'm going to show you what all we got.